Good afternoon, everyone. Let me introduce myself. My name is Loretta Altera, and I'm responsible for the socialization team. The purpose of the presentation is to tell you the importance of responding of waste by type. If there are any questions you want to ask, please leave them until the end when I'll be happy to answer them. In today's presentation, I'll to cover 3 points. Firstly, I will tell you the waste classifications. Secondly, we'll talk about the negative effects if we don't dispose of waste according to the its types. Last but not least, I will tell you what to do or the implement. The first topic, it's about waste classifications. Do you know how many minimum waste classification? There are 5 waste categories. And for example, the first one is a liquid waste. Liquid waste refers to all freezes, oil, sludge, water, waste, detergents, and dirty water that have been thrown away. They are hazardous and poisonous to our environment and are found in industry as well as households. Wastewater, as it is often called, and any waste that exits in a liquid form. And second, the classification is solid waste is any garbage, sludge, and refuse found in industrial and commercial locations. The 5 major types of solid rubbish are, for example, is glass and ceramics, plastic waste such as plastic waste is any container like a jar, bottle, and bag that is found in the companies and houses. And the third example is a paper rubbish. This refers to all the newspapers, packaging materials, cardboard, and other paper products. Paper is recyclable. And the fourth example is metals, metals and tins. You can easily find tins and metal in homes because food containers and household material are made from them. And the third classifications is organic waste. Organic waste refers to virgin meat, garden and food waste. This type of rubbish is commonly found in homes. And the first classification is a recyclable waste. All discards items like metals, furniture, organic waste that can be recycled fall under this category. And not all items are recyclable, so you can have to be careful when putting things into the recycle bin. If you are not sure whether an item is recyclable or not, then check the item's packaging. And last classifications is hazardous waste. Hazardous waste includes flammable, corrosive, toxic, and reactive material. And in nutsells, they are wastes that pose at a significant or potential threat to our environment. And so, let's move to the next section. Now, we will take a look at the negative effects that are caused by our negligence when we do not dispose of waste according to its types. When we throw the garbage out of place, there will be a mountain of garbage that will cause germs and disease, carrying bacteria to gnats. course, it will definitely affect our health. For example, we can get a diarrhea because our food or drink is contaminated by the surrounding air or flue couch because we are close to the trash and are breathing the air around it. And second, contaminated water. Most people will throw their garbage in the river, and it's certainly wrong-headed, resulting in water pollution. Not only that, if a factory waste is not spawned of a base of a classifications, namely a chemical waste, it will also have an impact on the living things in the sea. And also when we use well water and consume it, it will have an impact on our health. And finally, the flood. When there is an accumulations of waste and water pollutions, it can lead to natural disasters, one of which is caused by a human. Now we'll discuss the last sections, which is how we implement sponging of waste according to its types and what we should do in the future. If we provide at least two trash bins, we can start separating organic and non-organic waste. For illustrations, organic waste bins are for food waste or kitchen waste, while non-organic waste is for plastic. By considering the environment around us, it means that we care about the future of the environment around us. For example, by disposing the garbage around us, disposing of the garbage according to the type classifications. It can be said that we help others who clean up our garbage. To summarize today's presentation, I will go through the topics we have covered today. Firstly, we talk about the waste classifications. Secondly, we talk about the negative effect if we don't dispose of waste according to its type. And for the last, we talk about how to implement in our lives. And to conclude this presentation, I would like to give some statements. Caring of the environment is our effort to care for the future of the world, and one action will take have an impact on ourselves. When organic and non-organic waste are separated, there are many benefits that we can enjoy. Starting from healthier air, a clean environment, and greater water. Disposing of waste according to its type will also facilitate a processing. For example, throwing non-organic waste into just one container will make it easier for people who want to collect and recycle the waste. To wrap up my presentation, I would like to thank you for your attention. If there are any questions you would like to ask, please don't hesitate to raise your hand when I will be my best to answer them. Goodbye.